not gonna believe this haul.
Is this the haul that we have been waiting for, that I've been waiting for? Guys, when I show you what I found, you're gonna fall out of your chair. I literally had, I don't know if it was a panic attack, an anxiety attack. I was like full on, like, I could not believe it. And I was like sweating. I called my husband on FaceTime. He's like, what's wrong with you? I'm like, I cannot believe I found this. Y'all ready? Y'all not ready? Ready? Y'all ready? Okay. So y'all know I went to the math class. If y'all have not seen that video, go watch it. I decided to stop in at this TjMaxx. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, did I hit the mother load. What is it? I have no idea. I know it's Pat McGrath though. And I know it's a huge old box. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was $69.99. And with tax, I paid $75. What's in there? I don't know. I don't have my glasses. So we're just going to open it up together. I brought my glasses so that I can read and see what we got, okay? So this is what it looks like. And if y'all saw that other video, I found one there. And it was just this. And then I kept looking and I found one on the bottom. And I was like, okay. So again, it retailed $69.99. Let's see what is all in here. So here we go. We're going to open it up together. It's kind of heavy. Oh. Okay. Oh, do we want to tear it or should we just pick it up? How about we just do whatever pops out, okay? Ooh, I already saw something. This is a Pat McGrath Divine Blush in Divine Rose. Do I have Divine Rose? I think I do. I know I have two Pat McGrath blushes other than the trio. Here we go. Come on. Oh, here we go. Super pretty. So there is Divine Rose. I'm not sure if I have this or not, but there's that. All right. No particular order. What else do we have? What is this? Okay, so this is this. What is this? It says Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara in Extreme Black. Okay. Okay, so let's open it. I don't have mascara from Pat McGrath. I've never tried it, so. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's got pink letters on there. And let's open it up. Oh, I like these kind of wands. Like they're real big, thick. It kind of gives me like the Better Than Sex wand, but I like the big clunky. Okay, we're gonna have to go to part 2 because we still have so much stuff in this box. Don't forget to like, comment, and go to part 2.